filled.
Yo, guys, live on YouTube, going over today's trade at everyone. You guys catch shorts today or what? Caught a fucking beautiful trade today. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Today was gorgeous. Today was absolutely gorgeous. We love it. We love it. We love it. We are killing the game, guys. Killing the game. Took the exact same trade. Fire. I love it. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. That's fucking awesome. That is awesome. Yo, yo. Shit. I should plug this in over here. Oh, boy. What the fuck? Oh, my left. Oh, god damn it. I want to go over today's trade. I want to go over the trade that we took today. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I made a little bit over $11,000 today. And I'm up now on the week just shy of 20K. Just shy of 20 bands. Did Palantir just go off? Holy shit. Wow, holy fuck. Wow. Markets are getting oh my god, look at Bitcoin, bro. Bro, I didn't even see a Bitcoin. Holy shit. What up, Karen? Thank you, bro. Dude, Bitcoin is getting fucking hammer-cocked. This shit is down 8% today. Fucking knew it. Fucking knew it. We're going to get fucking double-digit down days. I swear to God. Holy shit. 49K is where we're going. And Ethereum to 1365. 1365. Wow. Wow. No, there's no 7-day free trial, unfortunately. You wanna control? We're gonna do Nasdaq. Yeah, we're Kieran. We're getting that level, bro. We're getting that 3-month gap. We are getting this shit. This is literally where you start dollar cost averaging into a lot of stocks. I gotta get more cash ready. Jesus. I need to do that. Actually. Jesus. Holy shit. I need to. My God. Yeah, Bitcoin's $7,000, bro. Literally insane. Insane. Critical update required, bro. I get it. Yeah, so I was copy trading 20 accounts. I made a little bit over $500 per account. It's like $550 per account. I mean, when everything is down is the best time to invest. Okay. Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right. So, I want to show you guys what I took today and why I did it. All right. So, Karen, you're probably tired as fuck. You need to invest in sunscreen. Okay. This sucks that everything is happening now. Ugh. All right. So, daily chart for S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. Exactly what we have. We have a higher high on the Dow Jones from where's the corresponding high? It's here, but still same thing. Make it look cleaner like that. Higher high set in here. Lower high set in on the S&P 500. That was the only thing that we had on the daily. But what was obvious today was the draw. The draw on liquidity was obvious for the S&P 500. Am I continuing TikTok lives? Yes. I'll be doing TikTok lives every week. If I'm not live on YouTube, I'm live on TikTok. If I'm live on TikTok, or if I'm not live on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. Vice versa. Literally caught this whole thing in front of everybody on TikTok. All right. So, boom. SMT set in here. Then you go to the hourly time frame. Hourly chart. Actually, I'm going to retweet this because we're live on Twitter as well. Guardian. All right, there you go. I'm going to wait for my retweet to get more traction so that more people can see. But what we have here between NASDAQ, ES, YM, you go to your hourly chart. That's that daily SMT here, right? Now, further beyond that, that daily SMT above, that's not really going to do anything for me, right? What's going to do something for me is something that is more like recent, right? So I'm looking at like any sort of cracking correlation at within price, like here, I would say. Here. What happened overnight? Asia, London, anything that I could tell there. We had an SMT divergence at Asia highs, like this, right? Lower highs on NASDAQ, lower high on the S&P 500, higher high on the Dow Jones. Boom. Now, when I came into the day, fucking replay, this is all I had. All we had to work with was this. We had an SMT divergence at Asia highs, and we left behind an hourly untapped fair value gap. Easy. Easy key level to frame a trade off of, right? Easy as shit. With a daily external draw right here. Super, super simple. Like clear as day. Now, what I was looking at was price coming into this hourly gap, creating a sell model, and then trading lower, targeting these lows. Literally an A-rated forever model trade setup criteria. Create an SMT divergence within that hourly gap. Look at the next hourly candle. Boom. Kisses. We create the SMT divergence. And what's the SMT with? The Dow Jones. Look at the Dow. The Dow makes the lower high. Look at the S&P 500. Higher high. Look at the NASDAQ. Also higher high. So My focus was the S&P 500 because it was the most obvious for a draw on liquidity, right? That is it. Now, we have our step 1 and our step 2 checked off on the list. All we need to do is go down to the step 3, which is the entry mechanism, how we're going to get into the trade. So we had our SMT formed here, just like this. This was also perfect timing too. Everything about this was perfect. 950 is here. Now, keep in mind, the next hourly candle, the next 4-hour candle opens up in 10 minutes, right? So here's the next 5-minute candle. What do? This is perfect. We are now having a closure at this candle, 955, setting up, already providing the change in the save delivery and our order block confirmation from that hourly bearish fair value gap. So what we're anticipating is the new hourly and 4-hour candle to do what? Open high, tag us in to the change in the save delivery, the IFEG2, and then go lower to close, and then take out that external low here on the daily time frame. Everything was aligning perfectly here. This was A-rated forever model trade setup. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So all I did was I put my sell limit resting right here. My stop loss went at the candle high that was ran, this candle here, right there. And then the low here lined perfectly with a 1 to 2 risk to reward, just like that. Next candle tags me in, so I'm in there. Boom. I put at this low here, if we run this low, I reduce my risk to this 5-minute candle high. Next 5-minute candle does this, so boom, my risk is reduced. Fucking God, Jesus Christ, so loud. My risk is reduced there, and then next 5-minute candle, boom. I'm out in literally 15 minutes. 15. Do I never trade before 11? I'm 99% of the time I'm in a trade before 11. And then boom, full TP. This was like literally the easiest trading day that I could have ever seen. This was so easy. You should have shorted ES. ES had the better draw on liquidity, and it was so much better. So much better. I don't know why anybody would short. Shorting is shorting, what's it called? NQ is definitely a mistake. But yeah, dude, this was perfect. And like we get out of the trade and then price does this. Like this is a idea that we're basically daily candles done. 15-minute trade. Super easy. But do you guys understand the logic as to why I took this trade? It's an easy forever model setup. You guys get it? Mm-mm. Y'all get it? Amazing. I know it's very self-explanatory, but I just want to make sure that you guys get it. Just want to make sure you guys get it. What up, Luke? You caught this as well, right? Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, you still have runners? Love it. His trade was so clean, bro. It was so clean. Yeah, I mean, running that low is pretty significant on the daily. In my opinion, this here is the cap out for the daily range. There's nothing below that price really needs to gravitate to. And I don't think that we're going to get this low just yet, like this corresponding low. Maybe tomorrow, but it'll probably save this for next week's CPI and NFP. Same thing with here on NQ. Apparently, there's rumors, guys. You hear that? That Epstein started Bitcoin. They leaked his emails. Yeah, but Luke, also, did you fully took off majority of your position though, so you're fine. No, I'm not joking. Gideon, you know that too, right? You saw the emails? I don't know like if it's factual, like I don't know how factual it is, but I heard it. And I'm being honest with you, I wouldn't even be surprised. I would not even be surprised. Yeah. I saw him on X and TikTok. How funny is that? Satoshi Nakamoto is just Jeffrey Epstein. Just from reading the emails, yeah. But like I don't know. I didn't really go through them that hard. I need to take time, maybe pop an Adderall and just go down a rabbit hole. That's what I want to do. hop an Addy and go down a rabbit hole. But ink. As I put a Zin in my mouth, I get a text from my mom saying, "Are Zins dangerous?" from a doctor. Even if they are dangerous, I'll never stop them, mother. Especially if I'm the one paying the bills for her. But a thank you for looking out for my health. Is that real Stephen Hawking? What? I can share link. Yo, share the link. Yeah, Karen, show me. Which one? Bro just said, is that real Stephen Hawking's gets chicks? I don't know, but if I was somebody that didn't get girls and I saw Stephen Hawking's getting girls and not me, I would think pretty low of myself. Send it. What did Dodgy do? Bow, bow, bow. I think he took longs. He's talking about his grandma's cancer treatment money. And he removed his break even. Uh-oh. He lost.
Oh my god, no. Oh my god, bro. My grandma's cancer treatment money is all about to be gone, bro. Oh god. Oh god, no. No.
What is he doing? What is he doing, bro? Heading outside.
Order filled. Ba-bang. Alright. Full fucking TP, guys.
Bang, 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 bang. Money got longer, speed got louder, car got faster. Yeah, I think that price in the remainder of this day is probably just going to chop around or retrace back into the range. Money got longer. Wait, Luke, are you talking about the post of where Dodgy was sitting on his car and then some dude came up to him and then he posted it on his own channel? I could see longs. I don't know. I don't know. Because now I'm like kind of just like looking at NQ. Only thing that I see right here is volume imbalance. And then I see a daily bearish volume imbalance. And then if price gets past that, then you target this daily bearish fair value gap. But I don't know. I don't think so. I'm done for the week. There's no way that I'm taking a trade tomorrow. I'm up so fat. I don't need to take anything. I took my trades in the middle of the week, and now I'm done. He's sitting on his car and on his laptop, like lying. Of course he is. I'm going to Aspen with him in the end of February. I leave the 19th. Yeah, it's this. Palm Music Festival Aspen. You're gonna see Calvin Harris, Sammy Vergi, Kygo, Malp, Clooney, Blondish. Should be fire. Really excited for that. NFP is not tomorrow. NFP is actually next week. Actually, let me look. Fuck. I have to go to the airport to do a TSA pre-check fucking application. Fucking retarded. NFP. Let me take away all of this shit. Only red, and I don't want this. NFP Wednesday. And then CPI is on Friday. Holy shit. Yeah, bro, the States is fun, dude. It's fun here. Apex is going to print next week. Everyone's going to blow their fucking accounts. How's the weekly look here? Damn, look at this weekly. Fuck. This is literally screaming. Like with this SMT set in here. I'm keeping this. This mass, there's like SMT here. There's SMT here. It's a weekly PSP, 2-stage. Dow Jones should take out this low. And then all of these lows. And then if it closes below here, then you have a weekly change in the same delivery. And then next thing you know, Dow could potentially take out all of this shit here. But I think that the S&P 500 has to go here. The NASDAQ has to go here. I just think that I think price is ready to turn. And if we continue bearish, then we're driving to this low here tomorrow. 24,151. NASDAQ looks the most obvious. precision swing point. It's a trader day concept. It's a cracking correlation between candle closures. See how the Dow Jones closes a down close, ES and the NASDAQ close up close with an SMT. This sell model is just like imminent. Like this is just so obvious. Like we either get the delivery to this low tomorrow, or we wait until the next week, we cap off the weekly range, and then we have like weekly open, high, take out like something like here. We're trading into this gap here, and then lower again. But this is definitely how I see price. Oh, let me charge my camera. Hold on, plugging this in. Take care, Luke. Be safe, brother. Good trades today. Good trades today. Yes, this is a 3-month fair value gap below. See this? Right here. This is my target. My target is here. This is my target. Da-da-da-da. This area in price is literally the best possible point for us to start dollar cost averaging into stocks. Matt, you copy trading on. You mean micros or minis? I'm trading micros because I trade 50K accounts. I'm trading 50Ks. Trading micros. Typically risk between 250 to like 500 per trade. Feel like Michael Jackson moonwalking through the Calabasas. Very, very, very nice. This was a textbook forever model delivery. Textbook. Textbook. I feel like Michael Jackson moonwalking through the Calabasas. Beautiful stop, and you execute on news. Ba-bang. 15-minute trading day. How about that? So much better than yesterday's move. Yesterday's move took so long. Oh, Andrew Tate posted a video. Bitcoin's going to 27K. What do you guys think about that? Said, welcome to the real world. The hell are you saying 27K for? I could see. I could see 38. I follow him on Twitter. I don't understand 27. He's so funny, yo. If we're getting a healthy retracement, Jesus. Discount of this entire range is 20K. I have alerts to buy Bitcoin late 2026, early 2027. Just buy, 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 buy. I'm literally hoarding cash to deploy for that time. Hoarding. What's up, Priya? What do I do when to miss a setup? When I miss a setup, then I miss it, and I just move on to whatever else price can offer me next. I don't FOMO into it. I used to do that, but I don't do that anymore. I try and keep my emotions in check. And are you talking about price on like Bitcoin, or what price are you talking about? I think the overall market as a whole, NASDAQ, ES, Dow Jones, it's ready to turn. I think it's ready to turn. You shoot for the stars if you feel right. You ain't from my heart. Right after this live stream, though, I'm going to record a YouTube video on an in-depth walkthrough of my trade breakdown for you guys. It'll be up on YouTube probably within the next hour. Within the next hour. How do you handle the end of drawdown pressure? Just I stay dialed in, I follow my rules, and I execute accordingly if price matches all of my criteria. I'm just very strict with my trading. I was able to pull out my accounts with $200 left of drawdown to back in buffer and profit and payout. Nothing changes. It's just a number. Everything is just a numbers game. It's all it is. You just need to keep on following the rules that you know work, and you'll be good. Follow your rules, and you'll be fine. Trust the process, my people. When price is trapped in order flow, it's basically because it's stuck between two PD arrays that both have SMT. Like if you're between a daily bearish gap and a daily external low, and there's SMT at the daily bearish gap and there's SMT at the daily external low, you'll typically see price like consolidate within the range until some sort of volatility injection comes in, equities open, or a news event. And then that would allow price to escape the range. Once it has speed, you'll determine direction. And once you have the direction, you can then get on side. It's the Fibonacci retracement tool. The Fibonacci retracement tool. The World Economic Forum launches investigation into links between its CEO, Borge Brendy, and Jeffrey Epstein. Interesting. Would you consider taking a trade without SMT? No. I will never take a trade that has no SMT. That will be my rule always. If there's no SMT, there's no trade. That has always been the rules. That has always been the rules, guys. You know that. No SMT, no trade. No SMT, no trade. You live by that. You follow that. No ifs, ands, or buts. Well, typically, if I have $200 left to draw down, I'm going to risk that 200. I'm going to have my last trade that I could take, and that trade has to be an A+ setup. I'm not going to risk 100 to win 200. That's just emotional. And it goes like this. All right, let's get this giveaway going. I'm going to the YouTube chat. All right. Let's go into the YouTube chat. All right, let me think of this word. Make the word short. No, I can't do girl name. Bro said Epstein. All right, I'm going to say the word in 35 seconds. 30 seconds. It's not a name. $20 seconds. $10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The word is shoulders because I have shoulders in the gym today. Bah. Shoulders. Ow. Shoulders with an S. Got it. It's Lucria TCI and Tevin J777. Right there. The black profile picture and then the people. Yeah, Lucria, I don't know how to say that. Lucria TCI and Tevin J777. All right. Well, I hope you guys all had a great trading day. And I will have a YouTube video uploaded on my channel on the trade that I took today on the S&P 500 in depth. And yeah, this has been a great trading day. It's been a great week. We caught the trade live yesterday. You guys saw the recap today for today's trade. And let's just keep on continuing the run that we're on and keep it pushing. I'm happy with everything that's going on, and I'm happy you guys are learning more and more and more and more. But I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. Be safe. Good luck with trading, and I will see you guys all next week on Tuesday for the next live stream. Take care and have a great rest of your weekend, everybody. Deuces, y'all.